The Chilean Fjords. It's not a destination, it's an experience and a journey into the heart of nature. Nestled along the southern edge of Chile, where the Andes Mountains plunge dramatically into the southern Pacific Ocean. We're two retirees hooked on travel. Follow us on our journeys around the world. The strong wind and unpredictable weather forced our captain to cancel the tender port of Punta Arenas. We are now sailing through the Magellan Straight. This is beautiful. It goes up so high. I mean, the peak of that mountain, it's amazing. It's absolutely gorgeous. And the waterfalls and the green and the blue sky, the ice and water. We're approaching this giant glacier. It has a lot of ice. I'll tell you what, the weather really changes here. Like, 1 minute it's windy, the next it's like cloudy, and then it's sunny. These mountains, they create a lot of weather difference. It's very windy. These mountains, they really go high. Man, I hope you can see it. The ice just kind of creeping down the mountain right there. And you can see that the snow is melted. But that sure is a high mountain. Tall, rugged, snow-capped mountains. And this is summer. It's crazy. This is as good as it gets. I guess it's notorious for being windy. This is where we came from. Where? Yeah. Oh, there's a rainbow. It's raining over there. Like, I can hardly hold the camera, it's so windy. We just got close to it, and man, it started pouring down rain. And Sarcosetta Glacier is an ice waterfall. Don't quote me. That's what he's calling it. It looks like an ice waterfall.
I've been wrong so many times.
Well, it's not an iceberg. It's too bad it got cloudy the minute we got here, but it is what it is. There's rain, sudden burst of sunshine, and then crisp Patagonian wind. The shimmer in the hues of the deepest blue and the purest white is incredible. We're approaching the glacier, and there's a huge watercolor difference, and we're thinking it's probably from the waterfall, the fresh water hitting the salt water, and it's changing the water color. It's really interesting. I mean, huge difference. Yeah, the way it's melting. So you can really see where the rock is sticking out, and it's actually melting around the rock and coming down into the water.
I see people with long lenses going down.
Oh, I didn't know there's going to be glaciers everywhere.
Please get out your cameras on the starboard side. We have an amazing waterfall coming out of this glacier. It looks fantastic. Thank you.
Yeah, the captain's right. It's an amazing waterfall coming out of underneath the glacier, pouring out. How could it be warm underneath it? It's melting from underneath? I didn't expect that. I thought it'd be melting on the top. That's...
The lower the warmer it is.
Oh, wow. I've never seen anything like that. That is so cool. God. That is unreal. I am just amazed. It's a testament to nature's artistry and just seeing how the world reveals its raw and untamed beauty. Mother Nature at its best. Wow. Anyway, we had to step back because we're getting trampled. It's the most beautiful, it's absolutely gorgeous, but yeah, we were literally getting trampled. The fjords are etched into the land by glaciers that carved the mountains, creating a network of aquatic pathways. They're very enchanting. We're approaching this huge glacier and there's ice in the water floating towards us, melting off the glacier, and there's waterfalls coming down the mountain everywhere. You can hear the water pouring down the mountain, and then as we're approaching this glacier, you can see the ice floating where it's just melting and breaking off and coming down into the water. It's unbelievable. And it's getting substantially colder the closer we get to the glacier too. Bigger and bigger ice chunks are floating by, so it's evidently rapidly melting too. This one is really coming down, pouring down, melted snow and ice. A string of waterfalls cascade down the mountain with power and ferocity. I've never seen anything like this. We aren't seeing civilization here, just the rugged landscape and the untouched beauty of the fjords. I can see why they call it Glacier Alley. Literally, we are sailing by glacier after glacier. It's something else I can't describe. It's just so stunning, and the sound of the waterfalls, the feel of the crisp air, and the movement of the ice all happening at once. It's almost sensory overload. Majestic mountains towering above us. To me, the glaciers, they look like majestic rivers of ice. They originate in very high realms of the Andes Mountains, where snow, it accumulates over centuries, compressing into dense ice. Then over time, from the immense weight of all those new layers, the ice journeys downwards. In the next episode, we'll explore the city of Valparaiso. Join us on the ultimate journey around the world.